Apple TV Plus Coupon Free Trial. Apple TV Plus offers various free trial promotions that allow new users to experience its exclusive content before committing to a paid subscription. These trials can be accessed through Apple's standard offers or special promotions from partners. Standard 7-day free trial. New users can sign up for a 7-day free trial when they subscribe to Apple TV Plus for the first time. The trial includes full access to Apple Originals and streaming on multiple devices. 3-month free trial with Apple device purchase. Customers who purchase a new iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple TV are eligible for a 3-month free trial of Apple TV Plus. The offer must be redeemed within 90 days of setting up the new device. 1-month free trial with Apple One subscription. Users subscribing to Apple One receive a 1-month free trial of Apple TV Plus along with Apple Music, iCloud, and Apple Arcade. The trial applies only to services the user hasn't subscribed to before. Special promotional free trials. Apple partners with select retailers, gaming platforms, and telecom providers to offer extended free trials. Some promotions may offer 3 to 6 months free through select partnerships. Student free trial with Apple Music. Students who subscribe to Apple Music Student Plan for $5.99 per month get Apple TV Plus for free at no extra cost. A valid student ID is required to qualify for this offer. How to redeem a free trial. Step 1. Open the Apple TV app. Access the Apple TV app on an iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV, or Smart TV. Step 2. Navigate to Apple TV Plus. Find the Apple TV Plus section and select the free trial offer. Step 3. Sign in with an Apple ID. Use an existing Apple ID or create a new one to activate the trial. Step 4. Confirm subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions and ensure the free trial is applied before confirming. Subscription renewal and cancellation. The free trial automatically renews into a paid subscription unless canceled before the renewal date. Users can cancel at any time through Apple ID settings. Once canceled, access continues until the trial period ends. Apple TV Plus provides multiple ways to enjoy a free trial, from direct signups to device purchases and special promotions. These offers make it easy for users to experience premium content before deciding on a subscription.